We're taking a look at Tablo's latest over-the-air DVR, the Quad. It's designed to record your favorite programming using an antenna, and then you can play back those recordings or watch live TV on a number of clients, including smart televisions, laptops, iPads, smartphones, etc. I've done the honors. I've already done the unboxing. You guys don't have to sit through that. And here we have the 4-tuner Tablo, the Tablo Quad. It has all the latest styling and hardware, including dual band Wi-Fi and just the new visual cues through here. But what makes this really interesting compared to every other Tablo, all the other Tablos, you buy it, and then if you want to record any significant length of anything, you need an external USB drive that you would put in here. So what makes this extremely unusual and compelling for those who hate clutter like I do is you can drop a laptop drive right into the chassis here. It is the simplest thing, and it makes it quite a bit more interesting. You're going to save a lot of space. You're not going to have to plug in another hard drive. You're not going to be burning other electricity, things like that. So I'm going to show you how that's done. You just need a tiny screwdriver. I have a little kit, but if you have some sort of eyeglass kit, mine's for gadgets, but an eyeglass kit would probably do it as well. We'll leave that right here. This slot, or this covering, just pops open to reveal a very simple slot for a SATA laptop drive, basically. And we just so happen to have a 1 terabyte drive here, and I'm going to show you how you drop it in. That's it. That's all you have to do to seat the drive. And then we're going to pop this guy back in. And if my vision and my screwdriver cooperate, we're going to get this back together. And seriously, that's all there is to it. This Tablo over-the-air DVR now has 1 terabyte of storage inside, super clean, no clutter, and it's a pretty slick solution, and I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts.